A new political storm is brewing in the US, and this time it's not between the right and left. It's within the MAGA movement itself, as some of Donald Trump's most loyal supporters turn on him over one word: Epstein. But before we delve into this controversy, let's first know who Epstein was. Jeffrey Epstein. Epstein was a wealthy financier and convicted sex offender who for years operated at the highest levels of power and influence. He was connected to politicians, billionaires, celebrities, and even royalty. He was arrested in 2019 on charges of sex trafficking minors, but died in jail under suspicious circumstances, sparking widespread conspiracy theories. His close associate Ghislaine Maxwell was later convicted for helping him to exploit underage girls. Some reports suggested that there was a client list which Epstein had, and that would expose billionaires and leaders and celebrities like it was a list of high-profile pedophiles, to be frank. And so the conspiracy theories came out. Some say that he was murdered, some say that the files are hidden because it could expose those in power and more. Now back to the story. Before Donald Trump took to office, he made a set of promises. He said that he would stop the Russia-Ukraine war on day one and stop the Middle East war. He also said that he would impose tariffs on countless countries and release Epstein files. None of this has happened. The war has not stopped, tariffs are not imposed, and Epstein client list, it is nowhere to be found. The Trump administration says that no more files of Epstein's case will be released. They say that Epstein took his own life, and they say that the list does not exist. The case has become a public obsession. People want to know what happened with the Epstein files. For months, Trump's lawyer Pam Bondi also said that the files have to be released, but she has now gone back on her statement. The FBI's report did not sit well with Americans either, as it only released what was already out. Meanwhile, critics called it shameful cover to protect elites. In February, Pam Bondi had said that Epstein client list was sitting on her desk for review. Now they say that there is no such client list. They only release hundreds of names linked to Epstein in every way, like parties, fights, or social circles. Now Donald Trump, this name appears in this list, but there is no criminal accusation against him in these files. They went around in similar social circles. Trump had regularly talked about Epstein files, but has never released it. And this just made it worse for people. They craved for revelation, and politicians and influencers sensed this. So during his campaign, Trump promised to release it. But now some prominent MAGA voices, online influencers, right-wing media figures, and grassroots supporters saw the legal maneuver as a betrayal of movement's core principle: transparency and fighting elitism. And here lies the political irony. Trump, once seen as the outsider who would blow open the gates of elite privilege, is now being accused by some of protecting himself like the insiders do.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.